let's get into these Louis Vuitton jeans, honey, okay? So if you want to see how I made these, stay tuned, honey. Period.
Give me the best of the band. What? Give me the best of the band. What? Yes, I got cake and it's loads of fame. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are going to be making the Louis Vuitton print jeans plus size edition. So you want to start off by getting some sponge brushes from Michael's. They were like $2. And then you want to get the Craft Smart satin acrylic paint. You want to make sure that it's satin paint, okay, because it just works better with the clothes. So I do got 3 different paints: pink, chiffon, fuchsia, and a rose pink. So I wanted 3 different paints, okay? So these jeans are from Fashion Nova, and just some regular flared out jeans that were already distressed. I will leave all those links down below, guys. And yes, y'all, I'm so excited to show you guys how I made these jeans. And again, all the paint that I purchased were from Michael's, and I will leave those down below. Okay, guys, so this is the process of doing the stencils. It was very hard for me, so I had Shoni come and help me. This is gonna be one. So basically, I printed them out on paper, as you guys can see. Printed them out on regular paper, but then I went and got poster board from Rite Aid. You could get poster board from anywhere that has school supplies. We're gonna cut this out and then trace it. This is already cut out. We're gonna trace that. Trace these 2. And honestly, I don't really like the size that I got, but this is all I could get, and I honestly was not gonna go print more. So you could actually like print it the size that you want. Just, I don't know what order I'm gonna go in, because I want them to be like cute, and I want them going down the whole leg. So right now we're just doing the stencil so we can begin the painting process. Okay, guys, so we finished the stencils. Shoni helped me with these. I really needed the help. So I only have 4. We're gonna use the same 4. I have the paint, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so this is where it gets fun, but this is very tedious. Please make sure that you tape down your stencils so that they can stay in place, so that they're not moving when you're trying to paint, because then it'll be a mess and you have to clean it up. So definitely make sure that you're holding down the paper as well wherever you do paint, because you don't want the paint to go underneath the stencil, and then like I said, it'll be messy. So that's what I'm doing here. And one thing I had to do, guys, I had to do 2 to 3 coats. So what you want to do is you want to do 1 coat, let it dry, and then you want to do another coat, let it dry. If you don't like how it looks with the stencil, then you could go over it again and for a 3rd time. But certain paints that I use, like I think the other pink that I use, I think the rose pink, that one was very light and streaky, and I had to do that like more than once. So I really loved doing this. This was very fun. I think I want to do it some more in different colors, or even for customers if they want it. To me, this wasn't the neatest, but it definitely was cute. I loved it. Also, guys, please make sure that you do 2 sets of stencils of each stencil. So basically, you see how I have 4 here? You might want to do 8. So 2 Louis Vuitton symbols, and then the others, because I noticed that when you are painting, the stencils do get wet, and they might tend to like rip apart, because this one, the LV, that one was ripping apart. So you have to make sure that you actually, you know, have a backup plan and have 2 of each in case that happens. So yeah, that's actually more work, but it's worth it, guys. It's worth it. These pants are very cute. I did it for a photo shoot. You guys will see. I did it for a Mean Girls photo shoot, and I didn't want to pay $500, so that's why I went and did it myself, and ended up paying only less than $100 for everything. Okay, so the paint, guys, I did buy 2 bottles of each of these paints, so in total I had 6, but I only used like 75% of 1 bottle of each pink. So you only need 1 bottle, honestly, per color. because it's a lot of paint. A cute DIY. I definitely want to do more of these. And also, guys, in this video, you guys will see my pink top. I did dye that. I went to Michael's, of course, and got the paint to dye my top because I couldn't find it in pink. So I went and did it myself. So this whole entire outfit was basically a DIY, and I had so much fun doing it. If you want to see me making the shirt or coloring the shirt, please click the video in the description. Not sure which will be up first, but definitely come back and stay tuned for that. Okay, so if you guys have any suggestions of what colors I should do next, definitely let me know, because I will be doing them. Like, this was so fun. I didn't think I could do it at first, but I actually did. So it's just, you know, take your time. No need to rush. Don't overpack the product because then it'll be cakey. Just make sure you just go with the flow. Just go with the flow, okay? Do one coat, okay? Make sure it's like on there even. Do one coat, then go back, let it dry for 15 minutes. Go back and do another. Let it dry for another 15 minutes. And if you feel like it needs it, then do another. But yes, this definitely gets messy and this paint washes right out. I'm just scared because I'm not sure how it's going to wash out. I'm not sure if it's going to wash out when I wash these jeans. I haven't washed them yet. But I am scared to know what's going to happen because on my hand, the paint just washed right off. So I'm not sure how it lasts. If it doesn't last, I will be a little sad about that. But yes, I am excited for these jeans, guys. Let me know how you feel about these jeans, okay? And voila, okay, finished product. As you guys can see, it is very cute, dried beautifully. It looks great. This is the top I told you guys about that I made. It was white. I dyed it pink. And I just really, really enjoyed this outfit. Like, I just really did. Like, I'm so mad I didn't get a lot of videos, but I did get a lot of pictures. So definitely follow me on Instagram. That will be down below. And I will add some pictures here. But it's very cute. I love the different contrast of pink. And yes, if you want outfit details, let me know.